Good morning, student. How are you? I hope you all fit and fine at home. Student, may your cup fill up with blessings today. So keep your head high and keep smiling and open your book, chapter 17. That is, they made us proud. So, student, walk up. Page number 111. 17th chapter, they made us proud. Student, we will start our chapter from warm up activities. Student, here is, can you identify the person in the picture? This is the picture. Can you identify the person in the picture? After that, write about any one achievement of this personality. So, write it here. If you identify, write the name and one achievement of this personality. Okay. Now, student, let me start the chapter. India has many great leaders. We all know India has many great leaders. We are very proud of them. Their contribution have gone a long way in making India the great nation it is today. Now their contribution. Whose contribution? Our great leaders' contribution. So student, meaning of contribution. Contribution means donation. It means something that you give, especially money or help, it is donation. Okay, so their contribution, whose contribution? Great leaders contribution have gone a long way in making India the great nation it is today. We all know it. So many leaders, so many great leaders sacrifices for it. In this chapter, we will learn about some of these leaders and their achievements. So, student, achievement. Achievement means accomplishment. Accomplishment means something that you have done successfully, especially through hard work or skill. It is achievements. Got it? So, two words are here: contribution. It means donation. It means something that you give, especially money or help or hard work by the hard work. Okay, and now here is a achievements. It means something that you have done successfully, especially through hard work or skill. Now your interesting topic, Rani Lakshmibai. Student, Rani Lakshmibai was one of the earliest freedom fighter of India. You all know 1857, this is the first independent war in India. Got it? So Rani Lakshmibai was one of the earliest freedom fighter of India. She is earliest. Why so? Because this is the 1857's revolt. This is the first revolt in India for independence. That's why we call it the earliest freedom fighter of India. Who is Rani Lakshmibai? She was a queen of princely state of Jhansi. Princely means royal. She took an active part in the revolt of 1857. She was one of the bravest women of India. Who is the bravest woman of India? Rani Lakshmibai was a brave woman of India because she took an active part in the revolt of 1857. And special thing is the earliest freedom fighter of India. Who is Rani Lakshmibai? Got it? Student, life and achievement. She was born to a Marathi family at Kashi in 1828. Her maiden means first name was Manikarnika. Her first name is Manikarnika. Her father trained her in martial art. This is martial art. This is martial art. So, martial art. in martial art include punch, kick, hold, throw. This is the martial art. Horse riding, sword fighting, shooting and fencing. This is her father trained her. She was married to Raja Gangadhar Rao Nevalkar. Where it is? This is. It is Nevalkar. So, she was married. Who was married? Lakshmi Bai married to Raja Gangadhar Rao Nevalkar, the Maharaja of Jhansi. That's why we call it the, she was queen of the princely state of Jhansi. After her marriage, she was named Lakshmi Bai. So, first name is, maiden name is Manikarnika. After marriage, she known as Lakshmi Bai. She gave birth to a child who died when he was only 4 months. She gave birth to a child. She gave the birth to a child, but when he was only 4 months, he was dead. In 1853, the couple adopted a child and named him Damodar Rao. In 1853, the couple, the Gangadhar Rao Nevalkar and Rani Lakshmi Bai adopted a child and named him Damodar Rao. In the same year, Maharaja Gangadhar Rao died. In 1853, when they adopted a child and named him Damodar Rao, in the same year, Maharaja Gangadhar Rao died. So, this is the life of Jhansi ki Rani Lakshmi Bai. Okay, student. Now, turn the page. This is the page number 112. On this page is the same Rani Lakshmi Bai. Lord Dalhousie, who was the Governor General of British India, did not consider the adopted child as a legitimate heir of Jhansi. So student, legitimate heir means होता है उत्तराधिकारी. Okay, successor. So Lord Dalhousie, who was the general of British India, did not consider the adopted child. The British decided to take Jhansi under their rule. Rani Lakshmi Bai was not ready to give up Jhansi and decided to fight. In previous chapter, we had already discussing about this. She fought bravely against the British troops. Troops means Sena, Sainik. It is troops. The common people of Jhansi also fought with their beloved Rani. A fierce battle continued, but ultimately Jhansi lost to the British forces. She was not successful in overthrowing the British, but fought till last breath. Student, in previous chapter, you were asking me so many questions regarding the Jhansi ki Rani Lakshmi Bai, who is a husband of her son, and how she lost her Jhansi, and so many questions, and I hope you all the answers get by this chapter. Student, next is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is also known as a Lokmanya Tilak. He was born in Marathi Brahman family on 23rd July 1856. He grew up in a village of Maharashtra. His contribution to Indian politics was huge. Huge is big. Let's learn more about his life and other achievement. So student, again, achievement means something that you have done successfully, especially through hard work or a skill, we call it achievement. Okay, and one accomplishment, it is also a similar word of achievement. So student, achievement, accomplishment, and something that you have done successfully, especially through hard work or skill, we call it the achievement. Student, life and achievement. He studied in the Deccan College in Pune. He was a graduate in mathematics and Sanskrit. Later, he also studied law and was awarded his degree by the University of Bombay. After he completed his education, he taught at a private school in Pune. He also founded the Deccan Education Society in 1884. So, student, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, he studied in the Deccan College in Pune and he was graduate in mathematics and Sanskrit. Later, he also studied law and was awarded his degree by the University of Bombay. And he also founded the Deccan Education Society in 1884. He believed that the people of India to be more aware politically, he took up this task on his shoulder. The two weekly newspapers, which is edited Kesari and Maratha, become the main tool for spreading this awareness. He joined the Indian National Congress in 1890. So, student, he believed that the people of India needed to be more aware politically. So, for this, he took up this task on his shoulder and they took weekly newspaper. He used mass media for awareing the Indian people for British Army, British East India Company. So, he started two newspapers, Kesari and Maratha, and become the main tool for spreading this awareness. And he also joined the Indian National Congress in 1890. Got it, everyone? We studied about Bal Gangadhar Tilak, life and achievements. He supported the nationalist movement and launched the Home Rule League and signed the historical Lucknow Pact. Student, he supported the nationalist movement, which is launched the Home Rule League. इन्होंने एक होम रूल लीग स्टार्ट किया था. ये जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन था, ये it was founded by the Bal Gangadhar Tilak in 1916 and for Swasation and nationality. So, student, Home Rule League was started on 28 April 1916 and started by the Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Okay, student. So, I hope you all understanding all the things about Rani Lakshmi Bai and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Okay.